know what Elon Musk, my friend, has said, no? Together. I mean, you just have to put in 80 to 100 hours a week every week. This improves the odds of success. If other people are putting in 40-hour work weeks and you're putting in 100-hour work weeks, then even if you're doing the same thing, you know that you will achieve in 4 months what it takes them a year to achieve. Isura ko akong sa iyang accent, no? Ngayon ko nang di mo po mo ba? Meaning, pila man usually atong work hours per week? 40. Yang pasabot, times 2. 80 o even judgmental mo ha? Even 100 pagani, no? Come on, I'm perfect. Thank you. Matapos kanina ba? If you wanna impact, siya, agad ako madang sorry impact man din, no? Sige na lang, I digress. Meaning, ang mga tao kung tanawa, superhero ka, kung workaholic ka. Again, binuang niya siya, pero the more ka na ay bugs. Subconsciously, ano niyo, yung mga tao pa mas serious, nganong tapulan ng kay ko. Are you following? Kaya diba again, we remember this, we remind you about this na kung mupahuway pagkatanaw sa mga tao, tapulan po ka. Our world glorifies workaholics. So diba, ang mga slaves sa una sa Egypt, nakalingkawas na sila, but Egypt has not left them. They have left Egypt, Egypt has not left them. Kita, Kristiyano na tayo, we are actually free in the Lord, in the Spirit. But do we have new slave masters today? Do we have new slaves today? Voluntary slavery. Kay kinahanglan man yun, bro. Maulagi ka, usara na kadlaw. Suwayi lang yun. Suwayi lang yun. So tell the person beside you, follow God's rhythm of restoration. Do you want, have you ever wished my tag? Dili ko 5 days a week mong trabaho. Maybe, pwede ko Di ba, uban, 27 na ikuan naman na by 8th day a week, di ba? Na uban kay you really want to provide ba? But amazingly, in Japan, they did an experiment in Microsoft Japan. I don't know if you know this already. Instead of 5 working days, what they did was, they created a 4 working day week. Ang 5th day pag yun, sweldoan sila. Wow, kadungog ko, wow! Now, ilang kitan ako, kung sa'y effect ani? Ang effect, ang percentage kay ni, go up. Percentage of output ba? Nahadlo ko sila nga, kung gamay ra ang week, hala mo gamay ang output, no, ang productivity, nisaka noon. Can you guess by how much? How much? Who says 5? Raise your hand. By 5%. Ni Isa. Ni Saka. Isa gamot. Wala yung... Kisa di mo isa gamot, di ba? Hana naman. Kisa di nga 10%. Ni Saka by 10% ang productive. Uy, naiduha. 12%. Ni Saka by 12%. 12. Very good. 20%. Ni Saka siya by 20%. Sure, 4 days a week. Kisa is 22%. Siya asa kaan yung nindot. 30%. Isa ka man, who believes isa ka siya by 30%? Wala yun. Uban, smile ra yun. Ang mga first session, kay mag-iwawan kayo mo. No? The productivity improved by 40%. Sometimes less is more. In many circumstances, working less equals doing more. Amen? May pagotong i-invite akong boss din na. Muna ayaw yun mo. Magtuo mo, boss na nako, he doesn't need to. Ayaw, do not prejudge. Dag-ato ninyo dire. Labi na ka nga series, rest. May na lang magkahuna-huna. No? They want to follow the Japanese in Microsoft. Are you following? So listen to this. Let's drive home the message. Sabbaths are more than just day offs. They are actually sacred markings of time carrying profound meaning. No, so murag kuan ka siya murag heavy kay siya. Meaning na gud ana si Lord iyang gi-highlight, iyang gi-make holy ang Sabbath precisely because He wants us to learn how to get meaning from our time. Especially, kitang mga tao, we mark our time with meaning. Do you believe that? What do you mean by this? Kisay na yung mga nag-birthday January, isa na mo. So wala po may isa. Kaning ang kuan session, wag na January nag-birthday. Anak ba mo to ba? Isa taon mo ha? No? Kisay nag-birthday January, isa gamot. Wow. February. Isa ka po sa February. Ooh. March. April. Ako, April ko. Oh, mga Taurus. Next, May. Wow. June. July. Naging mo ni isa. August. September. Ang sa taas, what yun? October! November! December! Colorum! Alien! Mga AI! My birthday is April 30. Ma-share lang na ako. What's my point? April 30 it's just an ordinary day. Yes? But in 1983, April 30 became a very special day because I was born. Wala pa ko naman sa kong point. Kamusta yung birthday, bro? March 11. Oh! Kanos ang year? 2007. Bata ah! Kumpara sa 83. March 11, that's a very ordinary day, right? Ordinary kay nga day. It will pass you by. Pero it became special. Tungod kay naa ka diri karon. Amen? Sa birthday diri, isa ka mo sa birthday diri na po kita. Sa birthday ni Moses, ikaw sis. Ikaw siya. Ikaw. Sa birthday ni mo. August 33? 23. An ordinary day, right? Ordinary ra kayo. But it became special, it had meaning, especially for you and your family because you were born. Amen? We mark time with meaning. Natin mga celebrations, December, kaysa ganang December 25 na rin. Dili sa ganang 24. December 24, labi nagmukadlaw na. Di ka sila mga isa, no? Di ba 25, ordinary day rin kayo na, but because we give meaning to it, it becomes the day of giving. No? February 14, a very ordinary day. Pero nga nung musaka man yun ang mga mo atog hotel. Ngun ang mga restaurant, musaka man yun. Nga nung buhong mo dyan kayo ang mga maligyag flower. 14 is just, January 14, February 14, March 14. It's the same day, right? Pero nga nung special man because we love to mark days and time with meaning. January 1, November 30. Anong special man na? Saan ang November 30?
Bonifacio.
Ha? Bonifacio Day. Nganong June 12? Independence. April 9.
Day of Valor.
May 1. Labor. Kitang mga tao, we want to mark time and days with meaning and purpose. And that is the Sabbath for all of us. Let's all stand.